Ready for our final pour. It's the best part, but the least fun part with this mask because I can't drink my cocktail. I'm Carmeon Hamilton, interior designer, blogger, content creator, and winner of HGTV's Design Star Next Gen. I'm looking to elevate my bar just a bit with a few simple crafts that we can complete in the time it takes to drink one cocktail. I'm gonna be making a resin tray with an Art Deco twist, and to drink, a St. Germain Spritz. Yes, I can taste that peach. Oh, it's so good. I'm ready to do a craft. I got a really inexpensive acrylic tray, but we're going to make it glamorous. Very simply though, some cutout paper, gold flakes, and some resin. Let's have some fun. Let's see where the shapes take us. Remember, negative space. The negative space is how the beautiful pieces breathe. If you have too much of a beautiful thing, you can't pay attention to each of the individual beautiful things. So the negative space is where the eye gets to rest and appreciate the things that are there. So my husband and I, we do a lot of entertaining. We just love gathering with all of our friends. It's one of the least committal ways to get to know people, to show the people that are in your lives how much you appreciate them. These things that we're doing to elevate my bar and hopefully that you're taking care of at home are things that your guests will soon appreciate and also encourage you to entertain a little bit more, because that's what this is all about. Having a life that you love to live. I need to just tack these down with a little bit of adhesive so the resin doesn't pick them up and carry them away. Memphis, the city I love, if you didn't know, it's a whole entire design aesthetic. Now, Memphis, Tennessee and the Memphis design aesthetic have very little to do with each other, but they are both very unique in several different ways. They are uninhibited, very bold, and unique. So tying in cocktails into Memphis design aesthetic is like a no-brainer. All right, we're putting in the last piece. It's already looking so good, but it needs some zhuzh. It needs some glamour. I think I want some gold painted elements and also some loose gold flecks. Odd numbers really make things more interesting. Like if you have even numbers, it's pretty symmetrical. It's kind of what the brain expects. If it's odd, the brain is like, wait a minute, what are we doing here? Also, my favorite number is 3 because it represents me, my husband, and my son. So my son, just like a lot of other 12 and 13-year-olds, is a huge gamer. This little shape, in the shape of a game that we should all be familiar with, is for him. It's one of his faves. I love how this looks. I think I'm ready to pour some resin. I am masked up and prepared to handle this resin. I just mix these according to the package, super simple. Now is the magical moment we get to pour in, lots of gold flakes. All right, I'm gonna add one more layer. If you feel like you have a little bit more texture than you want, just add more resin to smooth it out. Gotta let this dry for a little bit. My mask slowed me down a bit, but I'm still counting this as a one cocktail craft. I mean, my tray looks incredible. It's sitting outside, drying. It's amazing right now, but I cannot wait to see it finished and on the bar. I mean, we took something super inexpensive and completely elevated it, and it looks luxurious.